Welcome back to Drawpedia Tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Luigi from Super Mario Bros. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna begin with drawing his nose, and I'm gonna draw a semi-oval shape, and I'm gonna leave a gap on the lower left corner of the oval shape right there, and at that ending point, curve line across to the left for the top of his mustache, sharp turn downwards with diagonal curve line to the right, turn it upwards with a curve line in the middle of his mustache, sharp turn back out and downwards to the right, and semicircle turn upwards to the lower part of his nose on the right corner. Now for his right eye, above the nose, I'm going to draw a semi-oval shape at that corner. Inside of the eye, from the top left corner, I'm going to draw his pupil with a diagonal curve line downwards to the right, and another similar curve line below that. On the right side of the eye, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally up to the left, an arch curve line to the left, turn it downwards, sharp turn back to the right with an arch curve line at this lower point right there. Now for his left eye, I'm going to draw an oval shape on the left corner right here, and inside of that, on the left corner, I'm going to draw another oval shape for his pupil, and another oval shape inside of that right there. Inside of that smaller oval shape, on the top corner, I'm going to draw a small circle shape. Now on the right side of his face, I'm going to draw at the side of his eyebrow, curve line diagonally up to the right for the brim of his cap. Turn it to the left at this upper point, across to the left. Turn it diagonally down to the left at that corner. Inside of the brim, I'm going to trace the outline along the edge on the right side right here. Curve line across to the left. Turn it further away from the upper line. Turn it downwards. Semicircle turn across to the left. Turn it diagonally down to the left and to the side of his ear. Below the brim, above his left eye, I'm going to draw his eyebrow with an arch curve line for the lower line, right there. Another arch curve line from the right ending point, upwards to the left, and from the left corner, sharp turn upwards at that point. In the middle of the two eyebrow, I'm going to draw a curve line across at that corner. At the side of the cap, I'm going to draw his sideburn with curve line downwards at that corner. Semicircle turn across to the right. Semicircle turn downwards. Semicircle turn back diagonally up to the left. An arch curve line for the top of his ear to the left at that corner. Turn it diagonally to the right with a curve line, and semicircle turn upwards at the side of his face. Inside of the ear, I'm going to draw on the right corner, curve line downwards, U curve line to the left, and arch curve line to the right in the middle of the ear right there. At the upper point of the ear, arch curve line to the right there. Above the ear, I'm going to draw the back of his cap with curve line diagonally up to the left, turn it to the right, turn it diagonally up to the right for the front part of the cap, an arch curve line across to the right, and turn it back downwards at the front point of the cap. Inside of the cap, I'm going to draw an oval shape at the front point right here. And inside of that, I'm going to draw the letter L with a line diagonally downwards to the right, across to the right. Repeat that same set of line again at this upper corner, a line downwards on the right corner, and a line across at the upper point. Now for the lower part of his face, below the mustache on the right, a curved line downwards, semicircle turn to the left. Now for his mouth, below the mustache, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a line across, turn it downwards on the right corner, U curved line to the left, turn it upwards on the left side of his mouth. Inside of that, I'm going to draw his teeth with curved line across at this upper point, and below that, an arched curved line across for his tongue. And below the mouth, I'm going to draw a short curved line across at that corner. Below his ear, I'm going to draw the left side of his neck with curved line downwards, diagonally to the right. Turn it sideways to the right, semicircle turn upwards to his chin. An arch curved line to the right at that corner. On the left side of his neck, at the base, I'm going to draw an arch curved line to the left right there. And from that ending point, I'm going to draw an arch curved line to the right. Turn it diagonally down to the right. And at that corner, I'm going to draw a circular shape right there. Continue the diagonal line on the lower right corner of that. V-shape across to the left. Turn it diagonally up with curved line and arch curved line to the left. Semicircle turn diagonally to the glove on the left corner. And for the inner line of that arm, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line again at this lower point, right there. And below that line, on the right corner, curved line downwards, semicircle turn diagonally up to the right. Repeat that same set of line again at this lower point, right there. Now for his glove, on the left ending point of his arm, I'm going to draw an arch curved line to the left. And from the right corner of that, curved line diagonally down to the right, curl it to the left at the lower point. At the ending point on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally down to the right, turn it diagonally out to the left and to his thumb, sideways to the left, semicircle turn upwards. For the outer line of his hand, curved line across to the left, turn it diagonally down on his knuckle, semicircle turn downwards, turn it back to the right, and on the right side of that, diagonal line at that corner below the knuckle, semicircle turn to the right, and repeat that same set of line again for the other fingers to the right, right there. Turn it diagonally up at the side of his thumb, semicircle turn back to the left, sharp turn back diagonally up to the right. Above his knuckle, I'm going to draw some small oval shape on the left corner right there, and another similar one on the right side of that, and another one at that corner. Below his ear, I'm going to draw the piece of hair behind his neck with curved line downwards, flare it out diagonally to the left, semicircle turn back upwards on the right, sharp turn down, U curved line back upwards on the right corner. For the right side of his outfit, below his collar on the right, diagonal curved line downwards to the right at that point, turn it up and diagonal curved line back to the side of his collar. Above that shape, on the right corner, I'm going to draw a semi-circle shape right there. And on the left side of that, curved line diagonally across to the left. Another similar curved line below that. For his right arm, I'm going to draw below his mustache on the right curved line downwards to the side of his outfit right there. And above his nose, continue that line upwards. And on the right side of his cap, curved line out to the right, semi-turn up and back to the left. Above that ending point from the side of his cap, curved line out to the right, semi-turn upwards, semi-turn arch curved line to the left, turn it back downwards, U curved line to the right, turn it upwards, and turn it upwards at that corner. Repeat the same shape of the fingers to the left right there. And on the left side of that, I'm going to draw his thumb with a curved line from the top right corner of his cap to the right, semi-turn back to the left, curved line across to the left, semi-turn downwards. Above the thumb, I'm going to copy the same shape of his fingers at that corner, and at this lower point on the right, and another one on the left corner right here. Below his finger in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards on his palm. Now for his outfit, on the right corner, curved line diagonally downwards to the right at that point, and on the left side, diagonal curved line to the right below his sleeve, flared out to the left, curved line across to the right, turn it diagonally up at that corner, and at that ending point, I'm going to draw at the upper point, curved line diagonally to the right and downwards, flare it out with a U curved line across to the right, curved line diagonally up to the right, an arch curved line to the left, diagonal line upwards to the left and to his knee, an arch curved line across to the left, turn it diagonally down and to the left. Below his pants on the right, I'm going to draw the tip of his shoe with an arch curved line across. Turn it diagonally down to the left, and at the lower point behind the shoe, flare it out with a curved line and turn it back inwards towards his pants. For the base of the shoe at the back, a short line downwards, turn it diagonally up to the right, turn it upwards in the middle of the shoe, sharp turn diagonally down to the right, across diagonally up to the right, and turn it upwards. Now for his left leg, I'm going to draw at the lower point, diagonal line downwards to the left, turn it sideways to the base of the pants, an arch curved line to the left, curved line diagonally across to the right, U curved line to the right and upwards, diagonal curved line to the right and upwards, semicircle turn upwards at that corner. Now for his shoe, I'm going to copy the same shape with curved line diagonally down, semicircle turn to the left. And for the back, an arch curved line at that corner, a line diagonally down to the right. Below that, I'm going to copy the same shape of the base of the shoe, like that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.